What's going on, guys? Justin with Z1 Off-Road. Today we're going to be installing our Utilitrack Spare Tire Mount. Now you will need to use a header bar for your cab side and a bed floor Utilitrack as well. So Titan, D40 guys, you guys are covered. D41 guys, you will need to get the retrofit kit for the bed floor. But it's a super simple install. It comes with 2 of our header pieces. It also utilizes our Utilitrack speed cleat mounts, and you have a wheel chock as well. So let me show you how to do this. It's pretty simple. Toughest thing is getting the spare tire up in the bed. Now the purpose of this kit, if you're running anything larger than like a 32, 33 inch spare tire, it's gonna be very hard for you to get that to fit in the factory location. Plus this is gonna help eliminate some of that ground clearance issues. But first piece just slides right into the Utilitrack, just tightens in like normal, just like a speed cleat does. The second piece goes in and turns the same way. You can adjust these as you go. We're just going to get to the rough estimate of our tire here. I'm going to slide it up in between the 2 chocks. Next is the wheel chock. And then you have the option of running your own strap, but we also have the max straps that are available with purchase. Super simple. All they do is just click into the speed cleat. This will go up tight here. This one clicks into the bottom. And this one just clicks right here. You'll just ratchet your tire down. And that completes our install. So easy as that. So if you're running a larger spare tire than stock and you want to have some extra cool points in the bed of your truck, shop now at z1offroad.com.